Hi everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today to join Sewgoodall's challenge. She has Work With It Wednesday. I believe she's posting once a month on the last Wednesday, I believe, of every month. Don't get me, don't quote me on that. I'll have her link down, her channel link down below, so you can check it out. Anyways, I seen her use the gift bag punch board. Now, many moons ago, and I do mean many moons ago, I won this gift bag, and I don't remember whose channel I won it on or from, um, but I've never even broke it open. Never even broke it open. And so I seen her use that punch board and I was inspired. So I am going to, got a little dust on it. That's how long I've kept it. I am going to break this open and come back and show you what I've created with it. So yeah, but I've never opened it, so it'll be open for the first time. All right, so I will be back to show you what I've created. All right, everyone, I am back, and as you see, the gift bag punch board has made it out of its packaging, and so I was able to create something with this. However, I did not use or did not make a gift bag. So Goodall made some wonderful inspiration, but I wanted to see if there was something else that you could make with the gift bag, and I found Septeria 18, I want to say that's the name of her channel. She did some pockets and some mini file folders. So I used this to create that. And let me show you what else I use to create these file folders. So I broke out this Spring Fling paper pad by Lori Woodlock. And if you haven't seen this, it is absolutely so cute. I love this paper. So that's what I use. I also use this, well, I use this butterfly. And then CC Designs, I use that little rectangle in the inside of there. I use this die here. I use this bow here from My Creative Time. Went over to Cards TV Stamps. I am using this, Wishing You All the Blessings of Spring. And then from this, I am using that little wishes right there. I love this stamp set. I'm so glad I picked this thing up because it has so many sentiments on there that you can use. But anyways, I'm using wishes. And I am using spring. I kind of mask off that and just use spring. So, all right, let me show you what I made. All right, so starting out, I made this little mini file folder. I used the cut apart from that collection, and there goes that little butterfly from Cottage Cuts. And then where I used that at was in the inside. And so I used that little cutting board to cut that out. I'll link Septeria 18's links down below for both videos if you want to check it out. But I thought that was so creative, and I just stuffed some of those cut aparts in there just to show you how you can use those. All right, and then I also made another one, and I added these on top. There goes that Happy Spring. So, and I did that little combination of two different fonts on there and used some flowers from my stash that I had already had die cut, and yeah, pop that down, another little thing that you can put down in there. So there goes that one. Oh, and that's where I used the punch board. I didn't realize I put this upside down, but it looks like one of those willow trees just drooping down, so that's what I took it as. If I did put it upside down, because that's the way it's supposed to go. So remember, if you make this and you have directional paper, make sure you put it the right way. And then here goes the pocket that I used, or that I made, and that's how that looks. I thought it turned out really pretty, and this is where I use that punch board. I thought those looked amazing, and you can actually make your own gift cards out of, I mean, your own gift card holder out of these. She has tags that she put in the inside, and just pull them out. So you can do these in different sizes if you like. Then I was thinking about also cutting off the tip and just like using a punch. That was another thing I hadn't used in a long time. Are my punches. Yeah, those are just literally collecting dust. But I didn't use this one because it was kind of off this little side, but I might still keep it and try and use it. And then this one, I thought about using the punch and didn't like how it turned out, but I didn't get rid of it because I can still use that. So those are those. So anyways, like I said, I will have Sewgoodall's link down below for her what is it? Make It Wednesday, I want to say something like that. I'll have it down below along with the hashtag for her challenge. Sorry, Sewgoodall, I didn't make it on Wednesday, but here it comes on Thursday. So I just wanted to show you some support in that, and hopefully maybe next time I can enter the right day. and and then I'll also have Septeria 18, both of her links where I got these from. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.